Welcome to this Android channel, and as I said, the videos will slowly be creeping back at a healthy pace on this channel. We've got news about Android 10. Android 10 is the next operating system for the phones, smartphones, and tablets that are running Android. And of course, we'll answer a few questions that go with this at the same time. So the release of Android 10 is supposed to happen, according to rumors, September 3rd. So that is Tuesday, September 3rd. Just when we come back from Labor Day weekend holiday here in North America. So that will be the release apparently of Android 10. It will be released, of course, to Pixel devices first. Last time, if you remember, there was a lot of talk about the different systems. There were a lot of phones that were not Pixel devices that were actually updated. So this is kind of interesting. What we will, of course, see is what devices are updated or not. The devices that we know, of course, is Pixel phones, and that will be the first one. They're always updated quite fast. How fast is your device going to get Android 10? Well, that depends of many things. It depends on how recent your phone is. So the older the phone, the longer it takes, usually up to a point where it's not even updated. So that is something to think about. Like, for example, Samsung usually takes a while before it actually gets any devices updated that weren't on that version. Typically, a September release means that most phones will just get this next year rather than get this year, which is always sad. Google, talked a lot about how they want to make this process faster. It hasn't really materialized. It's still an old way of doing things, which is kind of sad when you want to have it as fast as possible. So Android 10 is released on September 3rd, and I'll have an updated video later today about some of the key features we know about that will come with this new release of Android on smartphones and tablets. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.